So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are shifting. Officially we are shifting, and if you guys don't know, I have had a transfer. I was living in Durgapur near Kolkata, and now we are leaving this place. We are done with Durgapur and we are shifting to Bhopal. So this is the shifting vlog, and last shifting vlogs you guys liked a lot. I hope you like this one as well. And so let's get started. The Agarwal packers are gonna come and start packing. I'm so sorry if this vlog is a full mixture of so many things, because it's gonna be a big mess. So I hope you enjoy it, and yes, let's go. हम सब पैकिंग हो रही है, खाना खा रही, मम्मी छुप रही है नहीं मैं गंदी दिख रही हूँ, ठीक है। ठीक, खाना तो खिला दो 2 मिनट। इतनी सारे वो मत डालो, अचार मत डालो इतना सारा। सारा सामान पैक हो चुका है, अभी दिखाती हूँ 1 सेकंड में। लंच टाइम हो गया, भगवाना बहुत। अभी लंच खा रहे हैं, बहुत लेट आए ये लोग, 12:30। मैं दिखाती हूँ कैसा माहौल हो रहा है। सो ये रूम पूरा बेड वेड पैक हो चुका है। एज यू कैन सी, बेड के अंदर का सामान, ये वो सब। फीफी अभी रूम से निकली है, सब कांच का सामान है, तो प्रॉपर तरीके से उन्होंने कर रखा है। फीफी पूरी छानबीन करेगी क्या हो रहा है, इतनी देर से रूम में बंदी है। सब कुछ खाली हो चुका है, साइड ड्रॉज ये सब हो चुका है। मम्मी बैठी है यहाँ, पानी है वहीं पे। ये टीवी वगैरह सब उतर गया, ये सब पैक हो रहा है। ये साइड देखो वार्डरोब जैसे खाली हो गई है, फाइल्स वगैरह है बस। ये तो हमारे सामान है जो हमें लेके जाना होगा। बट ये सिचुएशन है, घर के अंदर पापा सो रहे हैं, एंड यस पूरा सब पैक हो गया है। यहाँ पे ये रूम का सारा, मेरी फोटो भी मिल गई एवरीथिंग इज पैक्ड। घर की हालत कुछ ऐसी है, पूरा बेड खाली कर दिया है, सब भर रहे हैं हम। हमारा फ्रिज भी पैक हो गया। ध्यान हो गया घर का। सोफा भी पैक हो गया, टेबल वेबल सब हो गया। अभी भी जबकि इतना सामान बाकी है, ये बाकी है, पता नहीं कब होगा। गाइस हम जा रहे हैं सृष्टि के घर, फीफी और मैं, पानी वानी खाना लेने। गाइस सॉरी मैं दिख नहीं रही होंगी, बट जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया, हमें फीफी जा रहे हैं सृष्टि के घर खाना लेने। डिनर पुलाव बनवाया था उससे, क्योंकि घर पे कुछ खाने नहीं है। चूल्हा वूल्हा सब इट्स गॉन, पूरा पैक वैक हो गया है। ट्रक अभी भी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, पानी की बॉटल भी भरवानी है, बहुत ज़्यादा काम चल रहा है घर में। सुबह 1:30 से वाट लगी हुई है, बट आई होप एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड। ट्रक ऑलमोस्ट सब पैक हो चुका है, बस अब भरने वाला ट्रक। सो लेट्स गो। ये हो गई है हम लोग के घर की सिचुएशन अभी। सब बहुत थक गए, मर गए हैं, मेरी हालत बहुत गंदी है। अब इन्होंने आधे से ज़्यादा सामान नीचे रख दिया है, मोस्टली सब अब पैक वैक तो सब हो गया है। ये बाकी है बस, आई थिंक रेस्ट एवरीथिंग एल्स इज़ डन। बाहर बहुत सारे कार्टन्स रखे हुए हैं, एंड बहुत सारे सामान तो नीचे भी है, नीचे रख दिया है। सो दिस इज़ द सिचुएशन। अभी मेरी फ्रेंड के घर से हम खाना ले आए फटफट से। ये बेड वगैरह वगैरह जो भी होता है सब, एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स इज डन, बट यही बाकी है। हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। कल बहुत कुछ हुआ, उसके बारे में आपको मैं बाद में बताऊँगी। बहुत सारी टी देनी है, टी, पर तब तक के लिए हम लोग का सारा सामान हट गया। दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट डे और आज हम 14th है आज, और आज भी हम यहीं रुकेंगे। 15th की हमारी ट्रेन है, तो आपको घर दिखा देती हूँ। और हम लोग ने अभी क्या ऑर्डर किया, 2 बर्गर ऑर्डर किए है, फ्रेंच फ्राइज ऑर्डर किए, थम्स अप ऑर्डर किया है लंच के लिए। एंड आप आई क्विकली शो यू द हाउस एंड फीफी को भी दिखाते हैं। सो यस गाइज, सो स्टोरी टाइम, व्हाट हैपेंड इज, I don't want to name people, being very honest, because I don't want to give them that much of attention, but just telling, there was one guy in our society where I was living in Durgapur, and I'm sorry these footages are actually not recorded, तो सब में बैठ के अभी जो मेरी face to face conversation से I'm recording it right now because I didn't have the time at that point. सो मैं अभी बता देती हूँ। सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैज़ हैपेंड जिस दिन हम शिफ्ट हो रहे थे इज़ दैट आई एम सॉरी इफ़ इट्स अफेंडिंग टू यू नो सम पीपल, बट द थिंग इज़ दैट ऑब्वियसली I don't know what to say, being very honest. Actually, the thing is that we were done packing and there's a stupid society rule that 10 o'clock के बाद कोई आके गाड़ी नहीं खड़ी करेगा नीचे कोई, but if there's some emergency or somebody is leaving, इतना कुछ ड्रामे करने की कोई ज़रूरत है नहीं. This is too much of drama that people do and for no reason, being very honest. And so we were done packing and suddenly a weird man comes and he just starts screaming, this truck will not go today, this truck will not go today, and he started making a big fuss about it for no reason. It's mostly because people are a little uneducated, being very honest, living in such small places. I think it's very dumb of such people to behave this way, but it's okay, we can't do anything if people are uneducated, being very honest. I think they should learn something and do some hard work in their life instead of just opening their mouth and saying wrong stuff. So that man comes and then he starts shouting this truck is not gonna go. Yeah, sorry. So I was saying that man doesn't want to talk to the owner. So weird. If I have a problem with you, I will come to you and talk to you, not your driver. That is actually showing that how dumb am I and how uneducated I am, being very honest. So this guy comes and he just starts shouting at our driver, no, this truck is not gonna go, this truck is not gonna go, acting like a full cuckoo in his head, being very honest, and tries to act like, yeah, I am this of this society, I'm this, acting as if he's a prime minister or something. I don't know. It's just a stupid society which is not even that great, being very honest. And we had no choice, but we had to live there, so yeah. And then he starts shouting, and we go and talk to him and he's like, what is the problem and all these things he asks us. We go and ask कि क्या दिक्कत है आपको, like what is the problem. Very nicely we go and ask him. He's like, this, we explained this is our problem, sorry if the truck came late, we were done by 10:20 and everything, and we are sorry if there's an inconvenience. Like, no, I have a problem with you, I will not let the truck go. What are you doing, bro? Matlab, genuinely, what are you doing? And then he starts blabbering shit that, sorry, I can't talk to you. उस बेचारे को इंग्लिश भी नहीं आ रही थी बोलनी, but ठीक है, चलो बेचारे ने ट्राई कर ली, okay, it's fine, I get it. And I'm so sorry if you feel bad. It's just a little pissed off when people do, if they don't like you especially. It was obviously, I hope you all know what people in Kolkata are, in the sense like what language they speak to and speak in, and we don't speak the same. We speak in Hindi and they speak in Bengali, so obviously there are some differences. So because of those differences, somewhere in their head they start acting like this and they don't want to talk properly. Then the main person comes, we thought that person will talk, runs and beats the driver. Ew. And we're just like, why are you doing this is so weird. And it becomes a huge fuss. They don't let our truck go, they don't let our car go as well outside. We wanted to go out, they don't let our car go, and they just start beating the person and saying wrong stuff to us. You don't like us, we know it, we don't like you too, but we don't behave such low class things, being very honest. And you were telling stuff to us that we are low class and whatever. I think you showed your low class, but actually, you know, fighting with a driver which is also a low class. So I think that that directly shows how your class is. And we had to just be quiet at that time because they were just insane, being very honest, and they were just fighting, and they made a huge fuss that we are, you know, we are not behaving properly and stuff like that. They're just mean. They don't have manners, how to talk to the other person. If you have a problem, there's a way of having a conversation. And I think they're just too young for this, even after being uncles, being very honest. And I think they should learn something in life and talk properly. So they made a fuss about it and started saying wrong shit, and don't even know how to talk to a girl, don't even know how to talk to a woman. They're just bad, or whatever you want to call them, genuinely. And I'm so happy I'm out of that place somewhere. Can't be around such people which are like uneducated, being very honest. And honestly बोल तो uneducated की बात नहीं है यार, I don't want to call them that, but I think they make us say stuff like that to you people. मतलब उन लोग को ये बोलने के लिए they, you know, put us through this. If you should be happy we are leaving your society. You don't like us, you should be happy. Why are you getting so offended and feeling bad about it, and you want to torture us? And he wanted to do this stuff because of some past shit that had happened, and which was also his fault. Lol. And he just wanted to make fun of, like, make a fuss that, oh, we're so bad, and like, you know, disrespect us. And I think he thinks that he won, but honestly he lost, because it just showed his class. And I think I don't want to talk much about it, who are they and a lot of things, but I hope you get the entire situation. And the problem was, हम पूरे दिन से पैकिंग कर रहे हैं, पूरे दिन से ये सब चल रहा है, और तुम इतनी छोटी छोटी बात के लिए, वो भी इतनी डम बात के लिए तुम हरकत दे रहे हो, जो इतना बड़ा इशू भी नहीं था. तुम शायद बात कर सकते थे, पर तुम्हें खुद बात नहीं करनी है. एंड देन यू पुट इट ऑन अस दैट वी डोंट हैव मैनर्स टू टॉक व्हेन वी एक्चुअली वर ट्राइंग टू टॉक टू यू. वी सेड सॉरी टू यू, बट आई थिंक इट डजंट गेट इन योर ब्रेन because of your own reasons and whatever you want to call it. But this was the situation, and it was too much to take. But yes, we stayed there and we left, and I'm so happy that we left. I think the place is good. I won't deny कि मुझे जगह अच्छी लगी. I had very good experiences. I loved that place. But at the end, there are people like this there who have cuckoo in their head, being very honest, and don't have manners, because it's a small place, you know. People don't have that good of an education. Okay, whatever it is, it's their problem. I don't care, and I'm happy that I'm left that place. Good memories, but I think last में तो spoil ही हो गई. But ठीक है यार, okay, I would obviously go there again because my friends are there. But yeah, just telling you how people are these days. They are mean. They just want, if their ego doesn't get satisfied, they do shit like that so that their ego gets satisfied. And yeah, it's fine. We felt really bad for the driver. He got beaten up for no reason, being very honest, and he was a little pissed off as well. But yes, I hope you are liking the vlog, and yes, continue watching. There's a lot of drama, I'm gonna tell you. ये सिचुएशन है, सब कुछ हट गया है, सब कुछ. पीपी बैठी है, मम्मी यहाँ है, ये हम लोग, मम्मी इसको टमाटर दे रही है, बर्गर आया है, सब आया. हम गाइस, दिस इज हाउ आवर हाउस लुक्स. पूरा बेड, सब कुछ खाली हो चुका है. जैसे ये तो मैं दिखाया था, ये भी खाली. सब कुछ खाली हो गया। आज हम जा रहे हैं वापस। ब्रो घर देख। हाँ सब लोड हो गया भोपाल के लिए। बाय टू दिस हाउस। सी यूज कर रही है। बाय टाटा बाय बाय हो गई सड़े हुए आपका पुलिस को। एट लास्ट मुसीबत टली। बाय बाय।
नमस्कार जी। आप हाँ बस आप
Now I'll tell you the entire trip. What was the trip planned and what exactly happened. So we had a plan क्योंकि there was a train called Shipra train from direct Durgapur to Bhopal, but my dad was not happy with the train, so we decided कि let's, and there was no Air India flight which takes dog. There is only Indigo in Durgapur, obviously because it's a small place, इतना नहीं है, and obviously Indigo है अभी, सिर्फ Air India नहीं खुली है because it's slowly developing. So we decided कि let's do one thing, we'll meet our family as well, so let's go. Yeah, so we'll meet our family. So we took a train Rajdhani from Durgapur to Delhi, and then we thought we'll on 15th, and after 2-3 days, I think on 19th we'll take one more train, same Rajdhani to Delhi to Bhopal. That was the original plan. But what happened is that हम लोग गए and train की ticket, we didn't have a coupe, we didn't have a cabin, and it was bad क्योंकि हम लोग की टिकट लास्ट मोमेंट पे हुई थी बिकॉज ऑफ सम सोर्स, एंड सोर्स से हमें करवानी पड़ गई थी क्योंकि क्या कहाँ रहते हम लोग, एंड इट वॉज अ वेरी लॉट ऑफ फर्स्ट देयर, एंड सो वी देन डिसाइडेड कि हम लोग ऐसे ही करने वाले हैं. सो व्हेन वी वर एट द स्टेशन व्हाट हैपेंड इज, हम लोग की क्योंकि लास्ट मोमेंट की ट्रेन थी तो हमारी टिकट्स हो गई, बट इफ़ यू ट्रैवलिंग विद अ पेट यू नीड अ केबिन और अ कूपे, एंड we had just the cabin but I have to book the whole cabin, the 4, because coupe 2 होती है और cabin में 4 berths होती है, और हम 3 लोग हैं, हमारे पास चौथी berth है नहीं, कौन है हम लोग साथ, कोई भी नहीं है, and you can't just get a dog ticket और normal कोई भी ऐसे टिकट नहीं करवा सकते because they'll ask you for the ID which is a big issue again. इतनी मिन्नतें किए हमने, इतनी ज़्यादा, and somewhere they agreed, and after agreeing we asked the passenger if the passenger was comfortable. We wrote a letter कि जो भी कुछ होगा it's our responsibility. बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुई इसमें, and then comes the funniest part that happened. सब हो गया, we were all ready, so there were 2 Rajdhani trains, which was one after the other, and एक ट्रेन आई and there was also Rajdhani, and we forgot कि वो कहाँ जा रही है, and it just stopped for 4 minutes. We rushed in फटाफट से in the train. We went to our berth area and they're like, हम तो 2 ही है यहाँ पे, आप लोग का है? हमने कहा yeah हम लोग जा रहे, this is राजधानी ना, we have 3 berths. He's like, no, you have 2, and I'm like, we have our ticket. Then he's like, I think you forgot there are 2 Rajdhanis, and we were like, what the hell, and we just rushed down. We had 5 bags and we had a cage. My dad has a frozen shoulder and a fracture in his hand, so he can't pick up bags immediately. He just got off, and we had इतने सारे बैग्स विथ योर केज, सब इतनी तेज़, हम फुल स्पीड में उतरे. ओ गॉड, बहुत सियापे हुए इस ट्रांसफ़र में जेन्युइनली, एंड ये ही सिर्फ नहीं हुआ, आगे भी बहुत कुछ हुआ है. ओ गॉड, हाउ मच आई शुड इवन टेल यू, बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट. वी वर लाइक ब्रो, अब तो हम लोग गए, हम लोग की वाट लगने वाली है, क्योंकि वॉट इज़ हैपनिंग इज़ टू मच. एंड वी गॉट डाउन फटाफट से. वी वर सो टायर्ड, वाज सो हॉट. 5 bags, केज, ड्राइवर भैया जो हमारी हेल्प कर रहे थे हमारे, एंड टू मच मैन. देन ऑब्वियसली हम लोग ट्रेन में बैठ गए. एवरीथिंग वॉज वेरी स्मूथ. एवरीथिंग गॉट बहुत अच्छा. एंड आई एम सॉरी आई डिडंट रिकॉर्ड दिल्ली क्लिप्स अ लॉट बिकॉज आई वाज एट होम एंड आई जस्ट फेल्ट आई शुड नॉट रिकॉर्ड. सो इतना ज़्यादा क्लिप्स नहीं है, बट जितना भी है आई हैव शोड यू एज मच एज आई कुड. So the first day I went to eat pani puri, that the clip that you have already seen. हम लोग वहाँ रहते थे when I was in first grade, prep 1 prep 2 in Noida when we were shifted there. And yes, so हम लोग वहाँ गए first day. Second day I went to meet Angel. We went to DLF mall जो आपने देखा है उसकी clips. जब हम मिले उसकी clip नहीं है, but हाँ we went to Big Chill, तो वहाँ की वो clips है जो आपने देखी. And I'm sorry I'm looking like this, being very honest, and I was just editing. And then the second thing that the third day I went out with my cousin and हम लोग इसे chill करने गए, time pass करने गए, तो that also have not recorded. And yes, that is it. I think these are the 3 days and then obviously we shifted to भोपाल. So आगे का मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगी कि तब क्या हुआ.
नहीं रह जाएगा दुर्गा.
देख रहे हैं सब लोग नाटक. बेचारी को इतना सुनाया.
इसके बड़े बड़े काने से सुनाइए.
हल्दीराम. At the railway station with Fifi. पार्किंग में हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी. Guys, we're at the platform. Guys, this is the first class AC. मैं जा रही हूँ वॉशरूम. At the New Delhi station.
अब थोड़ी ही
हम लोग अब खाने वाले हैं कुछ. कैमरा थोड़ा गंदा हो रहा है. हम लोग खाने वाले हैं रात